Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today it's going to be a short one because I'm having a hangover, you can't imagine. But anyway, please join my Telegram. The link is in the description. And now let's get into this video. So today the Bitcoin price went, as you can see on the daily, we are retesting the 50 moving average, which is this one, the pink line. And we are creating some sort of a doji, so you can see that there's a battle going on to get through this one. So what's good possible right now is that we go to retest this trend line and then fight it again to then eventually break it. So it doesn't mean that we are not going through right now, but we also can hover a little bit before we blast through it. Now guys, again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm thinking. You guys know what I'm thinking because of my previous videos. I literally think that the next leg up in this bull run, as I'm going to show you guys right here, it's a 3-day. Now you have seen this already. It's just for the new people which are watching. So yeah, halving, leg up, back to retest to 1.618. These are the pink lines, and then the next leg up to end the bull run. Halving, leg up, retest the 1.618 from the previous cycle, and then bull run. We also calculated the target about 166,000 in the next 150 days. Now let's take a look at the daily, and I got the buy signal right here from the other ones. Now I'm going to take Heikenhashi. These ones are more accurate. As you guys can see, they literally told the high of the previous leg up. So literally here at about 62,000, the signal popped. So right now the signal popped again. We also have a golden dot on the Vomencio indicator. We have a bullish divergence on the Vomencio indicator. The money flow is going up, but what is the most important thing to me is this. This is the RSI, and the RSI, whenever it's red, it's over bought, and whenever it's green, it's oversold. But you can also create those trend lines on the RSI, and as you can see, we just 2 days ago we just broke it to the upside. So that means that the sentiment is changing and the strength of Bitcoin is coming back into the market. Let's check out my trades right now. On Binance I'm up $1,150 and on bybit, guys, there's a link in the description to trade on bybit, which gives you a nice bonus. So on bybit I'm up 50%. This is just an $800 trade, and I'm up $450. So combine those, yeah, it's almost 1,600. Let's check out the network. The network is very, very silent. I mean, the network, this is just the amount of Bitcoins that are getting transferred to exchanges. So you guys can see that whenever there are Bitcoins moved to exchanges, you can get the feeling of about when it's time to for the whales to sell their crypto, and then most of the time the price will go down. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing. So this is a good sign. This is a very, very good sign. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask them in the chat. I'm watching my own stream on my phone, so if you guys have any questions. So Marius, welcome guy. How are you doing today? I hope that it's really clear that what I'm saying right now. So Let's check out the total market cap. It's also retesting the 50 moving average. Let's take the 1 hour to see what's going on. The 1 hour isn't looking very bad right now. The total too, as you can see, this is 1.70%. You guys can see it. So that means that the altcoins are selling off into Bitcoin. And as you can see right here, the Bitcoin dominance is going up. So this is a bad sign for the altcoins. Now, as I told you guys, if you take the daily, this is what I'm watching on the Bitcoin dominance. So we are forming this upsloping triangle. Yeah. So I'm watching this. If this thing breaks out, the altcoins will plummet. There will be as red as yeah, like when the red flag hangs out. I don't know if that's used in English, but you know what I mean, right? Okay, so let's take the line chart to show you guys this. So when we fell through this, then we retested the 50 line, and the 50 line is a very important line. Now, it's good possible that we are doing the exact same thing, because as you can see, this was 2018, and yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we break out and retest the 50 line again to then fall back further and give the altcoins the last run to end the bull run. This is exactly what happened in 2017. So if history doesn't repeat, it most of the time rhymes. And that's what I have learned in this market. Always go back into the past and look what happened. So also, if I'm taking the let me check this one. Also, the golden dot has flashed, and no, it's not on the daily. What am I doing? Oh, this is the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, I was totally wrong, guys. I was totally wrong. So here we have the golden dot. Now the golden dot flashed, and look, we changed the trend. Now let's go back in time and find the previous golden dot that occurred. That was about right here. Golden dot. Look how accurate this thing is. Guys, this thing is called the Vomencio indicator, and I made a video on my channel. So we had the golden dot, the RSI was over sold, and from there we moved up all the way from about $7,000 all the way up to 10,500. So that's a 50% gain, which is of course very huge in my opinion. So I'm not going to say that we are going to fly to the moon, but if history repeats and the cycle is also repeating, then we would have had our first leg up to then retrace to the 1.618. Here we are consolidating to then continue further. So that's basically what I'm seeing, guys. So yeah, Marius, that Vomencio B is really a great thing. Now what you can do is I have a video on my channel, and if you just go to my channel and you watch my video tab, then you can find the video. Yeah, so that indicator is really, really great. It shows you the money flow, it shows you the divergences, it gives you the big red and green dots. So I mean, this is a big red dot. Look where it's signaled. This is another big red dot. And look, we went down. Now they are not always working out, but the times that they are working out, like this one, it doesn't look much, but it's from 19,000 all the way back down to 17,500. So if you play this with leverage, That's a nice percentage gains. Now let me check out my trades right now. So guys, as you can see, I am very transparent with you guys. I show you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. So I got 450 right here. I got 1,135. Let's check out the network if something happens. No, nothing happened. Let's check out the Bitcoin shorts. Oh, I like to see this. I really, really, really like to see this. So whenever the shorts are going down, they're taking pressure off the Bitcoin price. So this is a good sign. And the longs, they're staying stable. So that means basically that when people are buying Bitcoin, the price is going up faster because shorts are not giving pressure down on the price. Yeah, I hope that this all makes sense, guys, and that it's not like Chinese when I'm telling you. As you can see, the coins, the altcoins, they are deeply into the red. The unit fee, what's happening with this? Oh, look at it going. Yeah, of course, this is one that I don't have. And you will always say that the coins that you don't have of, or, oh yeah, no, I have it, but I don't have a lot with it. It's on one of my accounts that I'm not watching. So I just bought some and just let it run. So, and the Bitcoin dominance, guys, it's rising. It's rising. Now let's check out. Oh, it's a Sunday, so the S&P 500. Look what happened. Do you guys remember when I told you guys into the video that that we dropped like crazy a lot, and that I was telling like, oh, this can be the start of the real crash. You can see where that turned on the money printer. So guys, it's all fake money. I mean, fiat money is fake money. They can just print whatever they want. So let me check Ripple. What's Ripple doing? Yeah, not much, but it's trying. It's trying, and it's above the 4-hour, 50 and 20 moving average. So also this one has started to become a little bit bullish again. They also see a bearish divergence, a double bearish divergence. That's not a very good sign for Ripple. So it's good possible that we go down. Now, if I'm seeing something like that, then I'm zooming in. So here you can see the 2-hour, how great it is to find support on the 50. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, it's like some sort of head and shoulders and a bullish divergence. So yeah, I'm not too concerned about XRP right now. Every time I see movies and try to do the same, I'm feeling like a professional, but I'm still new. Yeah, but that's the way that you will learn the way you have to treat the market. So yeah, I hope that it makes sense. Now my dog is barking. There is a festival outside. It's like those one of those bubble festivals that the new trend is like, we have 4 chairs and a table and we're going to act like we are very important, and then we are watching some group that is now playing for almost nothing, and yeah, we pay a lot of money just to sit there for 3 hours, and then we can ride home to then get caught by the cops, which are letting you make do an alcohol test. So I'm not going. Yeah. Anyway, it's like every day. guys, if you have any questions, then just tell me. I'm just right here for you guys. So Marius, how is your day going, man? How is your day going? I really love to do these live streams. Guys, please like and subscribe, and that means the world to me. And also check out my Telegram group. It's yeah. Here I said something. This is something that I may not share because I did pay for it. No, anyway. This is a guy, and I once gave him money to start trading for me on one of my so many accounts. And he's taking signals, and sometimes he's right and sometimes he's wrong. But he's not checking out the network, and he's also I hope that he's not right now, because what I'm seeing, you see, he's thinking that we will break out and then fall further down. And I'm not saying that it's not possible, but is it likely? That's the thing. If I get out of crypto right now and I sell all my altcoins just to hope that it's all going to crash, just the way as they are saying, then yeah, how should I say? If, again, I have to talk with, if the run continues just like the previous cycles, then we should see a breakout. And this looks, for me, this is just a blip on the map, but this thing can play out. And if it's playing out and I'm out of the market, it can go up another 470%. Just as it did here. We had to run up, we had to drop, the retest, and then just in a few months, the crypto market was on fire. Every coin was pumping and pumping, and no matter what you bought, it went up. The biggest shit coin, it went up. Here again, halving, pump up, back down, and then just in a few months, 144 days, it started to take off like crazy. Because right here, Bitcoin was $63. It went all the way up to $1,200. Right here, we were at $1,800, and it just did a 10x, more than a 10x, 11x in just 153 days. So that's what I'm hoping on. Look, the price, guys, we're going up again. I mean, let's check out my trades. 1,200, and right there, 490. So let me read the chats right here. It's still sunny over here. Where are you located, Marius? Are you on a holiday? Or oh, to Hengelhof. Yeah, that's also nice. Hi, what's up all? Was a little bit late, so gonna check out from the start of the video. What value does the chart give? Where are we gonna drop? Oh. Do you use leverage? How much mostly? Okay, I'm gonna show this one on Binance. This is a trade with a 6x leverage. Just to be safe. And here on bybit, I'm on a 10x leverage. Where can I here you can see this is 10x leverage, and as you guys can see, my entry was 32,621, and my stop losses is right now 32,621. So even if the market starts to tank and it gets triggered, I won't make anything, but I won't lose anything. And I did the exact same right here. So 32,640. That was my exact entry price. So I have 2 free trades open right now. And the reason why I am keeping doing that. What was that? What was that? Now the reason why I was the reason why I am opening these longs and I put my stop loss right around my entry is just because all that I'm willing to do is I want to have a trade open that is going up and continue this bull run. In the case that that happens, I'm going to make really a lot of money. So if my calculations are correct, and let's say 165,000 US dollars, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it on, take profit. 165,000 US dollars will give me 93,000 US dollars in return for a trade that only cost me 3,800 US dollars. And right here, I'm going to do that also. So I'm going to take profit. 165,000 will give me, your expected profit will be 36,500. So I'm going to confirm this. So I can make 36,000, and my trade is only costing me, I think it was about 800 US dollar, 900. Where is it? Oh yeah, 900, and I can make 36,000. So I just want to have these leverage trades on, so I can make about 125,000 whenever this should play out, with just about a $5,000 investment. Yeah, so I hope that it is clear what I am trying to say here. Yeah. Where can I see the chat? Where can I see the chat? The chat is gone on my phone. Oh, live chat. Here it is. Is it margin leverage or futures? They're futures. They're all future contracts. So right here, USDT perpetual swap future contracts. This is what it is. These are inverse futures. This is something totally different. So yeah, guys, the price is looking great right now, and I really hope that the altcoins will follow. It doesn't mean that we cannot drop down, but see what's happening, guys. Okay, this is all looking great so far. So let me read the chat. It's probably the safest not to use too much leverage. Yeah, of course, it's never safe to use a lot of leverage, but the thing is, you have to long the bottoms and short the tops, and in between you just don't do anything. And it's about making small losses and huge gains, and as long as the gains are much higher than the losses, then yeah, I mean, you guys know what I mean. Yeah. Also, what's very important is that you really need to give your wife some shoes, because if you give your wife some shoes, then I mean, everything is fine. If you're saying like, oh, I made a lot of money with Bitcoin, you got 2 pair of new shoes, then the next time that you're going to say, hey, I need to go behind the computer, then she is saying, hey, you go after your computer. I understand. If you pay in shoes, She will always understand. That's the way wives. And yeah, indeed, HTT, it gives you more time to trade, because this market, it never sleeps. It's like I mean, sometimes when I'm in a huge trade, I sleep with Bluetooth ears, and just to hear the order book, and then I just configure it to orders more than 10 million, and so I wake up, I check the chart, and yeah, just to follow, like, yeah, Marius, shoes always works, shoes and handbags. And the best thing is, I once was mining Bitcoin, and I opened a wallet for her just to make her some yeah, to get her interest into crypto. But the only thing that she was seeing, that were the daily profits that were coming in. So it was like, oh, I can buy new shoes now. And I was something like, oh, please ask me about Bitcoin. No, it was, oh, that's so much euro, so now I can pay these and these shoes. Oh boy. Anyway, I have 6 people watching my live stream right now. Guys, if you have questions, just tell them. Ask me. If you guys want to see a penguin, I can show you a penguin. Or whatever pattern that just ask me, guys. What alarms do you set? I heard you talking about the order book. Yeah, here you can configure like the things that you are hearing. You can where is it? That's counter chart exchanges. Here you can select all the exchanges. You can the audio, just pitch. It's there. You can wait, how did I do it? I had like a prefix set that is audio. So that's counter chart exchange is gone. Only show the liquidations. I think I did this one, because any time it's like crazy amounts of, damn, it's gone from this thing. No, I'm searching, man. I remember it was here. Counter, nope. Never counted some out of grids instead of, yeah, anyway, it was there. And also, if you just take this one, then you can see only the liquidation, so you will only get the very big moves shown. And trust me, when you're sleeping, you will hear them. You will wake up and you will check the chart. So yeah, what alarms you set? AXS, Axis, going like crazy this game. Do you know why it is so popular? No, but I remember that one of my trading bots are trading it, and yeah, it was it almost liquidated me, because it was a counter trade bot, and all it did was, when the price is going up, it's going to ladder up in short positions. Now I really would like to tell you guys about this trading bot, but I mean, it's really difficult to set it up. I got like 2 servers running, one in Singapore and one in Poland, just to have the fastest connection with the exchanges. And yeah, these things are making pretty good gains. But that's more my bread and butter for my daily costs and daily living. And I'm doing it together with a guy from Germany, and he's really a very great tech guy. And it's like, yeah, I mean, we together we lost a lot of money in trying to automate trading things, and this is something that's really working, and we're taking our profits off the table every single day. But I cannot show it onto my YouTube channel because then I'm sure that everybody will start to ask about it, and it's just too difficult to set it up. If I would have something that is like, oh, if you do this and this and you connect the API, it's fairly easy to do, but running a server and putting it up and getting hosting and stuff, it's too much. Got my trade. Okay. Let me check is that on trading view or what site? Oh, the site is called aggr.trade. As you can see it, aggr.trade. So yeah, agg. No. Oh no. Like this. No problem, man. Okay, guys, I think this is it for today. If you guys not asking me any questions, if you want to know about my hangover, then it's there. It's really there, but it was so fun. I have like yeah, I have like a crazy wife, and yeah, it was fun. Now anyway, let's check out XRP again. XRP, let me just zoom out from the daily. What am I seeing on the daily? We have a huge green dot on the daily, which is pretty bullish. The money flow is curving up. We have a bullish divergence on the daily. So this is pretty good. Let me check the 4 hour. 4 hour is above the 50 and 21 moving average. So this is also looking great in my opinion. The 1 hour, oh, we have a buy signal. So yeah, pretty bullish if you ask me. I mean, it doesn't mean that we're going to 70 cents, but it's not looking bad either. 4 hour has a bearish divergence, a double bearish divergence, but still holding above the 21 moving average. Let's check out the network. Oh, guys, how slow is this? See this? 500 BTC only. That's not much. For the last 2 days, look how less Bitcoin are getting moved onto exchanges. That's pretty cool. Let me check the intakes. Futures market sentiment. Considering the 3 major price crashes after last year's halving, futures market followed a similar pattern, rising open interest. Let me open this. Short, it went up. Short, price went up. So long, it stopped, price goes down. Let me check what he is meaning with this. Problem is that I don't know what this is. Is it the funding rate or is this the open interest? Anyway, it looks good to me, right? This, I mean, the short stopped, price went up. Short stopped, price went up. So I hope that is meaning that the shorts are stopping and the price is going up. Price pressure short so far. We see a rising open interest. RSI trading, however, the funding rate must show steady positive peaks before confirming price recovery. Yeah, guys, did I told you guys about the RSI that is moving up on the daily? You see, so we are breaking up of this downsloping trend line. We broke it, and we are also above the 50 level. So this is good, guys. For Bitcoin, this is really good. And are we now above the 50 line or not? Are we above or are we not above? Yeah, this is looking great so far. Come on, puppy, go, make money. Please do it, do it. Okay, guys, you guys have a. How do you trade most of the time? Support or resistance or buy bottom and sell top for more deep TA. I'm watching the network most of the time, so because there is value in it that how should I say it? Per chart. I'm going to show you where I literally got out of the market and what made me sell. So that was right about, I was there in 2017, and my biggest mistake is I will hold my crypto and Bitcoin will go to 2 million and 3 million and I'm going to be rich. But no, I had to sell, but I didn't. And my biggest problem was that I just kept on holding and it went down and down and down. And I remember at 9,000 I sold, and then it jumped further to about 6,000. And at 6,000 I went back in to see it drop further down to 3,000. So I needed from that time a way to start learning to trade, and I knew that there were guys that are making so much money just on the way down, and that's the thing, you can make more money on the way down than the way up. So this is the inflow, and as you can see right here, we have an inflow of about 20,000 21,000 Bitcoin. Now look what the price did. The price started to drop. Okay, the price started to drop from 60,900 all the way to here to 50,300. So then, when the network was silent, the price went up again. And then here we saw another spike in Bitcoin deposits onto exchanges. And we dropped from 57,000 all the way to 46,000, so another 11k drop. And at this spike, I sold everything because I just felt like the exact same as I felt in 2017 when my mother was telling me that her hairdresser, which is 62 years old, bought a coin with a bear on it. But it was on television. It was Dogecoin. And she told me there is a bear on it. I told her, no, that's a dog. Yeah, but my hairdresser bought that coin. She is very smart. She bought it at about 70 cents or so. I remember that when I was mining Dogecoin back in 2016, I was mining it at 0.002 dollars per Doge. And she thought she was very smart because she bought it at 70 cents. Okay. Anyway, right here I saw the spike and I literally had a few hours to get out. And I got out, and look what the price did. So here, and I started like selling everything. I felt it. I don't know how, but if I didn't have seen this is the network. This is the most important thing there is. That's something that you don't have in the stock market. If you can see where the Bitcoins are going, and I mean, if I am a whale and I have 100,000 Bitcoin and I'm depositing 20,000 Bitcoins onto an exchange, for what reason am I doing that? The only reason why I will put my Bitcoin from my exchanges, from my ledger wallets and put them onto exchanges is just to press the sell button. And if I do that, then the price will drop. So what I did, I went to my accounts and I sold every coin which I was married with for months, and it really hurted. And but then I also started to shorting. So right here from 56,000 all the way down to 29,000. That was the move, guys. And I just had to do nothing. And everybody was calling me, hey, what's happening? Why didn't you told me anything? Those are those guys. When every time the market is green, you don't hear them because they're making money up of your efforts. But whenever the market is it's red and dropping, then it's my fault. So no, that's not the way it's working. So anyway, this is still looking pretty healthy to me. Now, yes, the altcoins are going down, but the Bitcoin dominance is going up. So yeah, HTT. If you want to join CryptoQuant, then please go to the description. There is a link in it, and if you subscribe through that link, then you get a bonus. Also on Bybit, if you join Bybit, there you can go to the reward hub. It's here in promotions, and then the reward hub, and there you can go to I cannot click it, but you can just claim bonuses, and you don't have to do KYC with your passport and all that shit. So Bybit is still a normal exchange. You can make an account in 3 minutes if you really want. My wallet still calls me Amelia. Will you publish it on your Telegram when you see a huge spike? Yeah, of course. I will show it. Of course. I mean, if I see something, that's the reason why I have created that Telegram group. So yeah, because most of the time I'm not doing a live stream and I have to make a video, create a thumbnail, and then put that video onto the exchange, onto YouTube, publish it, and then I can send the link. So yeah. Okay, guys, I really have to go now. I have to feed my dogs, and my wife is coming with I think it's pizza today. It's I hope it's very spicy because I have a hangover. So guys, see you tomorrow, and bye bye. Please like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.